Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami sea otter. So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half diagonally both ways. And then take the bottom tip and then fold it over to the center line and then unfold. And take the bottom tip and then fold it over right here. And then fold the second layer down over here. And then fold the left and right edges to the center crease here. And then now fold the tip of the left side down. And then fold the tip of the left side backward. Now draw the features of the sea otter. And there you have your own origami sea otter. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.